Let's take a look at the portfolio site that you will build out as a member of Data Science Infinity. This is the very same portfolio that is helping DSI students consistently land incredible data science, AI, and analytics roles. Because here's the reality, while other candidates are applying for roles with scattered notebooks, unfinished projects, generic certifications, or portfolios that are difficult for recruiters or hiring managers to understand, you are going to be selling yourself with this. A clean, professional, GitHub-based portfolio site that showcases not only what you have learned, but the value you bring to a real business. And that is the key difference. In Data Science Infinity, you're not just learning tools, you are building evidence. So as you work your way through the curriculum, learning the key skills that hiring managers have said they need and want right now, you will build out 12 powerful and relevant projects and add them to your portfolio site. These projects, they're designed to showcase a wide range of practical skills across data science, AI, and analytics. They cover Python, statistics, A/B testing, Tableau, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, LLMs, RAG, and Agentic AI workflows. And this matters because when you are applying for roles, you do not want to look like someone who has simply watched videos. You want to look like someone who can solve problems, someone who can understand data, who can apply the right techniques, who can communicate insight and build things that create value. This is exactly what the DSI portfolio shows. For each of the projects, I provide you with a pre-built project template and write-up, meaning you can quickly and easily add it to your site straight after you've completed the work in the course. These templates, they are written and structured by me based on everything that I've learned screening thousands of candidates at top companies and seeing firsthand what it is that differentiates successful and unsuccessful candidates. They are created in a way that makes it very easy for recruiters and hiring managers to quickly understand what the project is, what problem it solves, what skills it demonstrates, and why it matters. This saves you months of time and struggle. It means you don't have to sit there wondering how to structure your portfolio, what to include, what to write, or how to position your work. You learn the skills, you apply the skills, and then you showcase those skills in a professional, hiring manager friendly way. And this is another huge part of what makes Data Science Infinity stand out from other courses, which often only include one basic capstone project or leave you to figure out your portfolio all by yourself. Here, your portfolio is built into the learning journey. So with that in mind, let's take a quick look at some of the projects. So starting at the bottom here, we have the very first project that you add to your site as you get started with Python. And this is called Finding All Prime Numbers Under 1 Million Using Python. This is a great project that we build while learning about the different data structures within Python and why it's so important to understand the differences under the hood, both for functionality and performance. Once you've completed the work inside the course, you get the pre-built project template to add straight into your portfolio. The next project is Assessing Campaign Performance Using the chi-square test for independence. This is such a common task in data science and analytics. We often need to understand whether a campaign, an experiment, or a business activity has had any meaningful impact, and this project showcases your ability to apply statistical thinking to a real-world business problem. Again, once you've completed the work in the course, I give you the project template. You can keep it as it is, or you can add your own flair. Next, we have our first machine learning project, Predicting Customer Loyalty Using Machine Learning. Here, we test several algorithms to predict customer loyalty scores based on customer attributes and shopping behaviors. This is exactly the kind of project that mirrors real-world commercial data science work because businesses are constantly trying to understand, predict, and improve customer behavior. Next, we have Enhancing Targeting Accuracy, again using machine learning. In this project, we test several classification algorithms and look to predict who is most likely to purchase a particular product so that future marketing communications can be much more efficient and effective. Again, this is a very, very common real-world use case, and it helps show hiring managers that you can use machine learning to solve practical business problems. Next, we build out a customer segmentation project called You Are What You Eat. Here, we use k-means clustering to divide the customer base of a grocery retailer into distinct customer segments. The goal here is to increase business understanding, improve customer insight, and enhance the relevancy of targeted messaging and customer communications. This is a brilliant project for showcasing that you understand not only the technical side of clustering, but also how to translate that into business value. From there, we have Compressing Feature Space for Classification using PCA. In this particular project, we use Principal Component Analysis to compress 100 unlabeled sparse features into a more manageable number of components for classifying buyers of Ed Sheeran's latest album. This is a great way to show that you understand dimensionality reduction, feature space, model preparation, and the practical challenges that come with messy, high-dimensional data. We then move on to a project that uses association rule learning, which is the basis behind concepts such as the customers who purchased X are likely to also purchase Y that you often see on sites like Amazon. In this project, we apply association rule learning to the alcohol whole section of a grocery store with the aim of helping customers find the products they want, recommending other products they might be interested in, and helping marketing managers understand which products could work well together in bundled promotions. Again, this is practical, commercial, and very relevant and attractive to hiring managers. You can see why this portfolio really gets DSI students ahead of the competition in the hiring process. Next, you are going to build out a project called Quantifying Sales Uplift with Causal Impact Analysis, which is a powerful technique originally created at Google. One of the common tasks in data science, AI, and analytics is to understand and quantify a change in some business metric after an event has taken place. Depending on the industry, this could be the uplift in sales after a promotion, the impact of a product release, the additional clicks, conversions, or signups generated by an online ad campaign, or even the change in a share price after a major news event. Whatever the scenario, the task is essentially the same. We want to understand how big the change was, but to understand this robustly and reliably, we need a way to understand what would have happened had the event not taken place. And this is exactly what Causal Impact looks to do. Inside Data Science Infinity, we learn about and apply this technique to analyze, understand, and quantify the sales uplift for customers who joined a membership program providing them with free grocery deliveries. Again, extremely impactful and powerful and relevant come interview time. All right, from there, we move into the incredible world of deep learning. You will build, refine, and optimize a convolutional neural network to classify images of different fruits. We look at ways to tackle overfitting. We use image augmentation to increase the reliability and performance of the network. We tune the hyperparameters to find a better architecture. We even look at applying a massive pre-trained neural network to see how that compares. This is hugely exciting and really takes you to the next level in the eyes of hiring managers. And again, as always with the DSI projects, after you've put in the hard work, learning and applying the technique, you are provided with the project template to showcase the skills and knowledge you now possess. Continuing on in deep learning, you then build something quite amazing, an image-based search engine. Together, we build a tool that customers can use to find products in store that are visibly similar to something they've seen in another shop, online, or out in public. This is an incredible project and one that can really gain attention when applying for roles in the field. From there, we move into modern generative AI. The first GenAI project is an AI help desk assistant using retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. In this project, you build an AI assistant that can answer questions using a custom knowledge base. This is one of the most important real-world GenAI patterns being used in businesses right now, because companies don't just want to be using generic chatbots, they want AI systems that can answer questions based on their own documents, their own policies, their own support content, their own internal knowledge, and their own data. In this project, you are not just learning about GenAI in theory, you are building a real practical AI workflow that connects language models with business knowledge, and that is incredibly powerful. Finally, you will build out an AI SQL agent connected to a live cloud-based database, and this is where things get even more exciting. In this project, you build an agentic AI workflow where a user can ask a question in natural language. The system can understand the request, generate the required SQL code, query a real-life database, and then respond naturally based on the result. This brings together so many important skills: SQL, databases, Python, LLMs, prompting, agentic workflows, business analysis, and real-world problem solving. It is exactly the type of project that shows you are not just following the AI hype, you understand how these tools can actually be applied on top of strong data science and analytics fundamentals. And that is what hiring managers are truly looking for right now. As with all of the other projects, you get this project template provided to you, meaning you can go from learning to applying and landing that dream role much, much faster. So there you go. That is an overview of the portfolio site and the 12 powerful projects that you will build and add to it inside Data Science Infinity. Of course, you can also add your own project to the site very easily as well using the provided template structure. But these projects, they are going to get you in an amazing position to impress when applying for and interviewing for roles. The reason for this is that your portfolio is not just going to say, I've completed a course. It is going to say, I can solve real problems. I can apply the right tools. I can work across data science, AI, and analytics, and I can bring value to your business. That is the whole point. That is why it is driving so much success for Data Science Infinity students. Your results are the number one priority, and this portfolio is just another part of the Data Science Infinity program that will help you get to where you want to be in this exciting, future-proof, and lucrative field. If you have any questions at all about the portfolio or about Data Science Infinity in general, you can get in touch with me via the main Data Science Infinity site or by connecting with me on LinkedIn. I love talking about data science, AI, and analytics, so I will be absolutely delighted to discuss.